Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Not gonna lie, today is the first day of my Christmas vacation, so I just decided this is what we get. Me in my new pajamas. Because it's warm and cozy and comfortable and I'm on break. So, why are we here? Today, I got my December Sephora Play box. Sephora Play, if you don't know, is a monthly subscription box. For $10 a month, you get 5 sample size products, as well as 1 beauty bonus. The beauty bonus used to exclusively be a fragrance. These days, it might be a fragrance, it might not be a fragrance. When they went through a period where it was never a fragrance, and they started bringing them back. I don't know. We'll see what we got. Inside every box, you get this guide that says what's in there, along with usually some sort of fun infographic material. You also get this card which entitles you to 50 additional beauty insider points if you use it in the store. Honestly, I shop online a lot, so I think I've cashed that in like once. You also get to go to Sephora Playdates if that's something you're into. Reservation only in-store parties, I think, or gatherings with displays? Question mark? I've clearly never been to one of those either. A couple of months ago, Sephora switched over to these from giving you a cotton bag with a drawstring every month to these kind of Ziploc-y bags. The first 3 were pretty much identical. This one has a different pattern on it, more like an ugly Christmas sweater. There it is. You see that? I kind of love these bags. They have a slimmer profile. They fit. I use them to group my possessions and move them in my purses and backpacks. I've always been a fan of pouches anyway, so something about the Ziploc really talks to me. I think it's cool. So let's see what's in my tiny Ziploc this month. What does the infographic on here talk about? Playlist 2018. Oh, it's a bunch of year-end statistics. Numbers, 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 and cute pictures. It looks like the theme is Cheers to Beauty. Celebrate the year gone by and all the good things to come with this batch of bold beauty. Ooh, bold. Alright. Let's see how bold it is. Ooh, I flung my bag away by accident. Come back. Excuse me, all of my products fell out of my bag. Trying not to look at them because I want to be surprised. The lid fell off this one. I guess we'll start with this. It is a Trestique mini lip glaze. Glaze for days. A nurturing lip balm in a vivid pink shade. I love basically lip balms that are colored, so this is Trestique. Can you see it? And the shade is Paris Pink. Let's see what Paris Pink is on my skin tone. Oh, cute! I thought the lid came off, but this is the lid. So it looks like a pencil, and I look like a dummy. trying to draw on here. I'm like, This product stinks. Nothing's coming out. Okay, please allow me to open this and then we'll see what it looks like. You know.
The sticker's doing a good job. There we go. Okay, dummy. See what we got.
Take off the lid. Paris pink. Well, that's subtle. I could go for that though. Just a hint of pink. It's pretty cute. Like I said, I love moisturizing tinted lip product. I usually use Tinted Fresh. I like those a lot. Okay, let's see what else I got. Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto repairing hydrator. And there is that. And the product inside. Oh, big box. Much smaller product. Why not just put this in? Why the misleading box? Okay, like this. This is a moisturizer. 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. A refreshing gel cream that boosts moisture and helps skin rehydrate itself. That is very different. I mean, I don't know anyone who goes 72 hours without washing their face moisturizer off. No, that's a lie. Weekends do exist. Weekend moisturizer. Hey, if you're gonna go out partying, get a 72-hour moisturizer that replenishes itself. Pro tip. That really does sound innovative and bold. Much bolder than tinted lip balm. Okay, next up is DP Hue ACV Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse. It is a shampoo and conditioner substitute. And it says it has color locking technology. This also seems legitimately bold and unique. It's got like a little nozzle here. It says it's a hair rinse that cleanses strands and scalp with natural ingredients. Shampoo or conditioner substitute that uses apple cider vinegar as well as argan oil, lavender extract. Oh, if you've met me, you know I'm obsessed with lavender. And aloe vera to condition, calm, and lock in color. So you put it on wet hair, massage it into the scalp, and let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes before you rinse it out. Okay, Sephora. I mean, a lot of times these boxes claim they're gonna be bold or innovative, and they're just not usually. But this one is. I'm pretty impressed so far. 72-hour moisturizer, apple cider vinegar hair rinse. What else you got, Sephora? Let's see. Something else in a stick form. Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. How 4? I think I'm gonna need the trusty guidebook to tell me how it makes it 4. Come, trusty guidebook. A mascara that lengthens, curls, volumizes, and conditions. 4. Okay. It's a rich black. You're supposed to use the wand with a little wiggle. I mean, I think we all do that anyway. Okay, 4. Lengthening, curling, volumizing, conditioning. Many mascaras just do or promise to do one of those things, so alright, I guess that's suitably bold. And the next thing I've got in here is Touch in Soul Metalist Liquid. Let me start over. Thank you. Touch in Soul Metalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Shadow Duo. God, that's a lot of words for a tiny package. Is the Touch in Soul. See that? It's really glittery, and then here it's more of a foil. Let's see what it says. Good as rose gold. It says that it's a exclusive product with a cream shadow and a glitter topper. Okay, apply the cream shadow. Let's see how this works. I'm concerned that this glitter is like legit just glitter now, and that I'm gonna try to put it on and it's just gonna be like poof, glitter. The herpes of the makeup and crafting world. Okay, so the tip comes off. This is interesting. I wonder if the large size packaging is like this. The tip opens, and this is where you get your cream color in there. So let me apply the cream color. Oh, I like this. Okay, hold on. Okay, even just this cream color step is kind of gorgeous. All right, there's the cream color all by itself. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. There, can you see that? Not as great as it looks in person. It's a little bit foily. It's really beautiful. And then, okay, this other end opens up. It's not a doe foot like the other. It's like a little paddle. I'm afraid to tip this over. And then I think there's just literally glitter in there. Okay, so you pull the, oh yeah, now I have glitter on my pajamas. Pull that out and pat it onto the cream shadow. Well, it's not a precise application game. I'll say that. And it tap transferred off of there pretty easily. Can you see how much product is on my finger? All right. That said, it is very shiny and nice. Let's see. Still transferring pretty heavily. This was the first tap. That's the second tap right there. Oh, wow, I have super mixed feelings about this. It's gorgeous, but messy. And, oh, not only is it not really transfer resistant, but I also have it on a third fingertip now, even though I only tapped twice. So that should tell you something. Oh my gosh. I don't know. So is that 5? So I guess the last item is our beauty bonus. And the beauty bonus this month is an extra trial size. Oh, it's one of my favorite products. Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I think everybody got a different one. Leftovers. But I'm not complaining. This Smashbox Photo Finish is really nice, actually. It's a really good primer. It gives you a like satiny surface to work with. I find it very enjoyable, thank you. I think that this box lived up to its expectations. Well, its theme. I think these products are pretty bold and unique and innovative. And I don't even know what my favorite thing in the box is. It's hard to choose one. I am super excited and terrified of this glitter foil thing. I really can't wait to put 72-hour moisture replenishing moisturizer to the test. And this apple cider vinegar hair ritz. I mean, yes please. Also super excited about that. I mean, mascara and tinted lip balm are also cool. I mean, it's hard to live up to the other products in the box. I can't even choose a favorite. What was your favorite item in this month's box? Is there something you super don't like? Let's give this one more tap and see if it's stopped transferring. If I have any clean fingers left. This stuff is traveling, y'all. Be ready to sparkle for a while. Maybe I'll try to put it on for my next video. Nope, still transferring. Right there, nice and shiny. I now have very shiny fingertips. All right. I want to Wi-Fi'd it. Let me know what you think. Long story short, too late. I think this box is bold and innovative and kind of exciting. Sephora very rarely disappoints me. And I'm here for it. I think, honestly, if you're looking for a box to buy into in the new year, $10 a month, Sephora is a pretty good deal. Anyway, I digress. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great day or evening or whatever time it is when you watch this. And that you don't mind too much that we had this whole adventure with me in my pajamas today, because sometimes a girl just has to wear her new hooded onesie pajamas when it's the first day of her vacation. And that's just the way it is, y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye. For more stunning adventures of a girl and her box, click the playlist at the left. If you'd like to see what we get up to in life around here, click the playlist at the right. If you would like to see my last Sephora playbox, I'll put it down at the bottom. The circular icon with my face will subscribe you. Click the bell to get notified when I upload.